is here and we're about an hour away from sunset. May 18th, 2024, Seattle Hayes here, 1932, coming to you from Ladysmith once again with another video lined up. That'll be my last one for today. Southbound on the way that met B731, I think more than likely around Stanberry. The G-Vel is leading on that one. We'll check him out on the roll, and as we'll lean back and get him. Here we go. Sounds like I hear K5HLR horns for this one. I have a feeling possible C6M rebuild to lead it, but we're gonna find out right now as we'll lean back. As we got gate drop. LX7598 to bring up the last of the M302, 41 of the 17th. About that, another highlight of the day to throw in. How cool is that? So that'll do it for the M302, 41 of the 17th, and we'll do it for the pair of C6M rebuilds of the second batch of the 3329 and the last of the second batch of 25, seeing 3349 running second, and the DPU of the ex-Citirail of the 3927. That is going to do it for this video, at Ladysmith, Wisconsin. Thanks for watching, everybody. I hope to see you next time, and maybe see you along the main line. CN Hayes out.